You know those moments when life takes an unexpected turn? Well, that's exactly what happened to Sam on a rainy Saturday afternoon. While rummaging through his grandmother's attic, surrounded by the musty smell of forgotten memories, his fingers brushed against something peculiar. An ancient, weathered map, its edges crumbling like autumn leaves.
These fully animated videos are racking in views, and it's not from big studios. This channel right here is blowing up by making simple animations using only CapCut, and today I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. You can get the same results with this technique, creating full animated shorts, reels, and YouTube videos straight from your phone. No paid software, no complicated workflows, and the best part? These videos are fully monetizable and AI approved by YouTube. If you've got CapCut, you have everything you need to start making animated content that can grow a channel fast.
So today we're using CapCut. CapCut has gotten a massive upgrade. They are now powered by VEO3, which is going to be great for us AI creators. So anything you create on here is powered by VEO3. They also have a whole bunch of other tools now, which I think you should check out. But we're going to go to the AI Lab. As you can see, AI Lab has AI Story Maker, AutoCut, and more tools. They also have new templates, which are pretty cool. The animation is outstanding. So let's see this one, Roller Coaster Chocolate Edible Odyssey. So they have a whole bunch of templates to use, but today we are using AI Story Maker. So when you come over here, you can either write a story in or you can grab one from ChatGPT. Today we're going to generate just from CapCut. You're going to click Generate Script. After you click that, you're going to put in a topic. The topic I'm going to choose is about a little boy who stumbles upon an old map in the attic. And then you're going to put in some key points. It led him to a hidden treehouse full of glowing books. As he opened one, the stories inside came to life and whispered his name. So you can add more if you like, key points, but 1 or 2 lines, CapCut can create a script. I love this tool. Okay, so after you're done, you're going to click either auto, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. We're going to click 1 minute just so I can show you how it works. So once you generate it, it takes a couple seconds. It's generated. It gives you 3 different scripts of the same story, but in different ways. So you know those moments, the real magic, and then they have you ever wondered what secrets your attic? Or you know that feeling when you discover something. So you can pick which one you want. I'm just going to stick with the first one, and you can also edit this. So if there's something in here you don't like, you just type it in, which is pretty cool and advanced. So we're going to keep it. Now what you're going to do is click a visual style. So if you click one, it will show you what it will give you. So there's a whole bunch. There's anime, whimsical, there's cross stitch, tiny world, claymation, but today we're using cartoon 3D. That is exactly what I'm going for. So then we're going to click it, and now you can choose which voiceover you want. I'm going to keep mine the same as it is because they're pretty good at figuring out what kind of voice you like. So then you can also choose the aspect ratio. So if you're doing it in short or long form, it's perfect for this. We're doing long form today because we're making a long form video. Now you can generate it. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes, but once it's done, this is what you have. So they give you a whole bunch of clips, and this is what it sounds and looks like. So it's great the way it is if you want to keep it this way.
Through his grandmother's.
But if you want to edit it, you can add media. So you can change this image right here into another video or another image. You just click media. There's also audio. If you don't like the audio background sound, you can extract an audio or add sound if you like a door opening, creaking, or you can change the text if you don't like it. You just click on one and then you click edit. Once you click edit, you can change the whole script if you like. It's really up to you. And they also have color, fonts, all that other great stuff. We're going to keep everything as is, but I am going to go a little deeper. What you're going to do is click Edit More. Once you click Edit More, it's going to take you inside of the CapCut editing station. So we all know what this looks like. So it added voice, it added text, it added the transitions, it added everything to go with your story. Now, if you do want one of the images or all of them to change into a video, you're just going to click AI video down at the bottom. Now, you can add multiple images or just one. So I'm just going to keep this one here, and you can describe what you want going on in the image, or you can just keep it blank. I'm going to put cars driving by. That's it. It's going to know exactly what I mean. Once it's done, this is what it's going to look like. Has a car driving by. Perfect. Now, if you want to keep going and making more of the images videos, you just click the image, click AI video, and you can put in what you want. I'm going to keep this one blank just so I can show you how powerful this tool is. I'm going to click generate. Once it generates, this is what it's going to look like. It knew exactly what I wanted. Look at this. Perfect. Now, you can keep going and creating all of your images into videos or just creating some, but it's really up to you. So I'm going to do all of them, and then I'm going to show you at the end what it's going to look like. I'm going to show you one more time. He's looking around, pointing on the map. So once you have that in, that's exactly what he's going to do. I really love this. It's pretty straightforward. It's easy. I've never seen such an advanced tool. There it is. He's looking around, pointing on the map. Perfection. Now you can adjust it if you want. Give you a square. So you just have to adjust it so it's on him. Or you can keep it the way it is. Like I said, you could have kept it the way it was. Also, this is YouTube acceptable. You still can monetize these videos, so don't get discouraged. Remember, you can edit the text, the audio, whatever you like. Once you're done, you can export it. Now I'm going to show you all the images into videos. Here it is. Have you signed up on my waiting list? Spots are limited, and what's coming is built to completely level up your content. From animated avatars to faceless videos that drive real views. You'll get access to tools that boost your RPM, workflows designed for mobile creators, and strategies that will help you grow faster. If you're serious about taking your channel to the next level, make sure your name is on that list.
You know those moments when life takes an unexpected turn? Well, that's exactly what happened to Sam on a rainy Saturday afternoon. While rummaging through his grandmother's attic, surrounded by the musty smell of forgotten memories, his fingers brushed against something peculiar. An ancient, weathered map, its edges crumbling like autumn leaves. Most people would have dismissed it as just another piece of junk, but there was something different about this one. The ink seemed to shimmer, almost like it was alive. And there it was, hidden among the tallest oaks, a treehouse he'd never seen before. Inside, books lined every wall, but these weren't normal books either. They glowed with a soft, ethereal light, like captured starlight. The real magic happened when Sam picked up the first book. As his fingers touched its spine, the words literally danced off the pages, swirling around him like fireflies. And then in a whisper that sent chills down his spine, they spoke his name. "Sam," they called. "We've been waiting for you."
These CapCut animated videos aren't just getting views. They're fully monetizable and AI approved by YouTube. Shorts that loop simple animations like these keep viewers watching until the very end, which boosts your AdSense payouts. But there's more. You can add affiliate links for products, offer custom animation services to other creators, or even create branded content for clients who need animated explainer videos. Once you have a few videos up, YouTube starts recommending them to a wider audience, which means you're building a passive content engine that grows and earns with every upload. If this tutorial helps you, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. I'm breaking down step-by-step tutorials every week showing how to build faceless, monetizable content channels using only mobile apps like CapCut, Leonardo AI, and more. If you want me to create a full series where I show you exactly how to animate characters, sync voices, and create viral content workflows using free tools, drop a comment below. Your next video could be the one that blows up your channel.